Welcome to part 137 of Daily English. Today's topic: listening and speaking role play. Let's practice together. Example: let's practice together before the test. I'll be the customer. Example: I'll be the customer. You be the cashier. You be the waiter. Example: you be the waiter, and I'll order food. Let's switch roles. Example: let's switch roles and practice again. What would you say? Example: imagine you're a doctor. What would you say? That's a good response. Example: that's a good response. Very natural. Try a different answer. Example: try a different answer this time. Use your own words. Example: use your own words instead of memorizing. Have fun practicing. Example: have fun practicing with your friends. Mini conversation. Teacher, today we'll do a role play. Student, great. What should I do? Teacher, I'll be the customer, and you be the waiter. Student, okay. Let's practice together. Teacher, excellent. Now let's switch roles. Daily tip: role play is one of the best ways to improve speaking skills because it simulates real-life situations. Don't memorize every sentence. Instead, use your own words, respond naturally, and practice different situations as often as possible. Speaking challenge. Choose a real-life situation such as ordering food, shopping, visiting a doctor, or checking into a hotel. Play both roles, speak naturally using your own words, then switch roles and try again with different answers. Practice for at least 2 minutes. Subscribe for part 138. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.